Today I'm going to be sharing with you a review video of Coinledger and my experiences of using the platform, and if it's one of the easiest platforms to use if you're going to be doing your taxes this year in the cryptocurrency space. So first up, I'm going to show you the home page. So if you do come to Coinledger, this is what it will look like on the home page. It'll tell you can get your taxes done in minutes, which is definitely possible. You can get your taxes done within minutes. It also does taxes for the NFT and cryptocurrency, and it does save you a lot of time, because if you're going to do your taxes manually, you're going to have to be working out all this stuff yourself. But this allows you to get your time back and get it all done for you, and to make sure it's correct, because that's one thing that's really important in tax. You don't want to file tax incorrect, because then it becomes a bit more of a headache. So it also offers Turbo Tax Partner, which is something that a lot of people want, free portfolio tracking, and international support. But I use this in Australia, but I've heard that it works worldwide, like US as well. It's popular in the US. Now it goes over that it's being trusted by over 400,000 cryptocurrency investors. You can also check out the reviews if you click on this tab right here. So you can get your tax done in 3 simple steps, really. Import your transactions, and then review your report, and then you can get your tax report. So then you can just file that straight away. That's really simple and easy 3 steps. That's what you want to see, something like this when you're a beginner. If you're getting started in cryptocurrency, you want to see something that's not complex. And this is why, one other reason why I like Coinledger. It's partnered with TurboTax, international tax reporting, so this can work worldwide, and you can look at import from any platform, mostly almost any platform. So something else that I want to mention is Coinledger is bringing in a portfolio tracker, which allows to track all your cryptocurrencies in the one area. So you can have all your wallets and your exchanges all connected up, so it shows you your actual portfolio all in the one place, so you don't have to log into every single platform or log into every single wallet you have, because most cryptocurrencies aren't all in the one platform, in the one exchange. They might be spread out in multiple different exchanges. So something else that I thought was interesting, when you go to the Learn tab here, you can go down to here and it shows you Crypto Taxes 101. So I'm guessing this allows you to pretty much learn the basics of the cryptocurrency taxes in your country, depending on where you're from. Now, if you are interested in this, you should definitely check this out. Learning the basics, I reckon, is really important for any trader, really. And then you can go to their blog as well and learn more. I'm sure they've got way more information on their blog. Learn the cryptocurrency basics and then learn about them. So I like that you can learn about cryptocurrency basics as well. So when you are ready to do your taxes, there is an actual cryptocurrency taxing report that you will need to get to actually file your taxes. But when you do need to get the form, you will need to pay. And it's very fair prices in my opinion. So with a free account, that's just, anyone can have a free account. When you first sign up, you're not paying a dime. It's only when you're ready to file your taxes, that's when you have to pay. So when you need the form, the tax form. So this is a pricing here, which is $49, and you can have 100 to up to 1,000. So anything under 1,000, you're only paying $49. But then when you go over to this platform, if you get over 1,000 or 1,000 transactions, you're paying $99. If you have 1,000 up to one under 3,000, you're just paying the actual $99. But if you get over 3,000, you're going to be paying $199. Now this could go up depending on how many transactions you have, but this is a standard. Most people won't be doing any more than 1,000 transactions. So now I'm going to give you an overview of your account when you first sign up and log in. So if you do want to sign up with Coinledger, like I mentioned, I'll leave a link in the description below. As you can see, this is what it will look like overview. When you do sync up an account to do your taxes, this is what it will look like. Of course, if you haven't synced up any account, it will be a blank screen. You won't see any of this here. As you can see right here, all the transactions and stuff. You will not have that. You have to import an account. You'd have to import and auto sync your account before you see any of this. And before you even can do that, you have to add an account. So when you do your taxes, this is how simple it really is. So all you do is come to here and click on this bottom tab here and click on import account. Now all you do is type in the exchange that you use. So let's say you use Binance. Binance is already there at the top, but if you just type in Binance, it'll just show up Binance. Of course, I haven't spelled it correctly, but yeah, as you can see, Binance is right there. So you can just click on that, and then once you click on Binance, another tab will appear, and it will look like this. This is what yours will look like until you import the API. Once you've added the API, you can then showcase all the transactions. Then all you do is click on this, get the API key and the secret key. I will have a video on this if you are interested in a full guide on how to do this on multiple exchanges. Let me know in the description below. I'll be happy to do that. But pretty much you want to get your API key and your secret API key, and then this allows you to sync sync up your account and shows all the trades that you've made on that exchange. And that is just how simple it is. So that's one other factor that I like about this platform, is how many exchanges it has that you can set up. So everything that you can think of is on here. Every single wallet, every single exchange that everyone, all the most common exchanges are definitely on here. So if you use any of the common exchanges, or even the exchanges that not many people know about, they're all on here. That's one other factor that makes it really good. And they have wallets as well. So all the wallets that you can think of. You can also upload a file directly on here. Let's say your transaction history file. You can upload the files directly as well. But this is so much easier to do it. You just connect and import your history. It's really the simplest way to do it. And when you do it, this is what it will look like when you do connect your account. It'll show all the transactions here, and you can go to the years, the specific years if you wish, all the way back to 2020. You can see all the transactions that were made in total, add any transactions. You just need to auto sync again. So when you auto sync again, it'll pick up all the transactions once again. So something else that they actually offer is if you go to the tab here on the top right, you click on your little name, it's a little icon of your first and last name. You click on that and you can actually get a tax consultant, talk with someone that is a professional tax person in the cryptocurrency space. So for $250, you can get actual tax professional to talk with one-on-one on the phone and can help you out with whatever questions you might have. So if you're looking for that kind of service, that's definitely something interesting to have offer. Now, when you are done with the actual putting your accounts in, this is the steps that you follow to get your tax actually complete. So 3 steps altogether. So you got the second step, which is a review. But as you can see, you're just reviewing your transactions here, and you can actually use the filters to see it a bit more clearer. But you don't actually have to worry about all this. I will just go continue to the tax report. And then once you're done there, you pretty much go to the tax reports. And as you can see, this is the one thing that I like about this platform, is the fact that they show you the capital gains before you even pay. So how much capital gains you have got. So you don't have to actually pay to see the capital gains. This is completely free account. I've not paid a dime on it this year. I have used this platform 3 years now and I've had no problem. Now, if you want to see all this other information here, that is when you need to pay. So once you're ready to unlock and file your taxes, all you do is go to here and click on unlock to upgrade, and it'll automatically let you know how many transactions, how much it equals. So I've done 300, I think it's like 300 transactions. So it cost $49.99. So $50. But then it goes into details of what it includes. So you can read along here if you like, and you can look at the pricing again as well and learn what this includes. So what this actually means. So once you're ready to do your taxes, then you can just pay and you have your tax report ready to go and you can file your taxes, and it's really that simple. Easy few steps and you can be done with your taxes in the cryptocurrency space. Now, they also have a feature where you can contact their support. So if you look at the bottom right here and click on that, and if you're looking for support, you can send them a message. They'll be back tomorrow. This is just probably the weekend for them. So just click on send a message, or it might be closed up for the day. It doesn't really matter, but you can ask them a lot of questions and get in contact with them, and they'll reach out to you as soon as possible with any questions that you might have. Or future requests, you can also request some features. So just go to the request feature. That's something that you can do as well. And they can show you all the requests as well that have been made and that are in progress that have been accepted. So that's pretty cool to see. Like, they actually allow the public to request features, and they show you how many requests they have got, and they also have future requests as well that they're planning on doing. So this is really cool to see. This is an awesome feature that I don't think I've seen any other platform offer this. So of course, not every single platform is perfect, and of course this isn't a perfect platform either, but I have rarely found any really issues with using this platform. The only issue that I see is the support isn't 24/7, but that's not really a problem. The platform overall is one of the best if you're looking to do your taxes, and it's affordable compared to other tax softwares out there, and it offers a lot more features as well that they're going to be releasing on their website. But like I mentioned, there isn't any really faults that I can see. Now, if you can see any faults, please let us know in the description below in the comments. I'll be happy to I'll be happy to agree with the faults if you see any yourself. But personally, I have had no issues, and I've used this platform for 3 years now. If you do have any more questions for me, feel free to let me know in the description below as well. And thanks for watching the video. And if you do want to sign up to Coinledger, like I mentioned, there is a link in the description if you do want to sign up. Thanks for watching, and if this review has helped you out, I'm glad that I can help you out, and I'll see you next time.